Hello children, welcome again to your online classes, and in EVS today we are going to do our national symbols. I will show you the pictures of the national symbol and tell you about them. So first is our national flag. Our national flag is tricolor, saffron at the top which indicates strength and courage of our country, white in the middle indicates peace and truth, and green at the bottom shows the fertility and growth of our land. In between there is a chakra that is blue in color and it has got 24 spokes in it. Then we have got our national emblem. The emblem is an adaptation from the Sarnath lion, capital of Ashoka. There are 4 lions in it which are facing to 4 different directions: east, west, north and south. And the national motto is Satyamev Jayate, that is, truth alone trumps. Then we are having our national animal. Tiger is our national animal. The Royal Bengal tiger is a striped animal and it has got thick yellow coat of fur with dark strips on it. The tiger displays the wildlife wealth of India and we should all try to save our tigers. National bird. Peacock is considered to be our national bird and it was declared national bird in 1960 because of its beauty, its grace and its elegance, and also because it was found in abundance and people were familiar with this bird. So this is our national bird called More in Hindi. Our national flower. Lotus is our national flower. It is known as the flower of wealth and prosperity. It signifies purity, good fate and achievement. Because even if it grows amidst the mud, it remains untouched by it. National tree. The banyan tree is our national tree. It indicates eternal life due to its enormous branches and roots. A country's foundation has to be deep-rooted like the deep roots of the banyan tree, which is called Bargat in Hindi. National river. Ganga River was declared as National River of India on November 4, 2008. Since then, it has been the national symbol of India. It is the most sacred river and we also worship this river. We called it Ganga Maiya in Hindi. National sports of India. Hockey is our national game. It was declared national sports because it was very popular during 1928 to 1956 and it was during this time that India won more than 6 gold medals in Olympics. So this is our national game since then. National anthem. This is our national anthem, Jana Gana Mana. It was written by Rabindranath Tagore and it was declared as National Anthem of India on 24th January 1950. Its playing time is 52 seconds. National song. Vande Mataram is our national song and it was composed by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. This song was a source of inspiration to the people in the struggle for freedom. So children, these were our national symbols. I hope you have understood it. Thank you.